This is the letter X. This is how you write the letter X. The sound of the letter X is X, as in 6.
A man is fixing a table. He has 6 planks of wood for making another table. He makes boxes and tables. There is an axe to cut the planks. The axe is very sharp. There is a box of candles. The wax is used to fill the small holes. Look at the fox and the ox. The ox is eating grass. It didn't see the fox.